अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर व्यूअर्स, उम्मीद करता हूँ आप खैरियत से होंगे। आज today's we are here, you are watching Shehzad official. Let's get towards a new topic with a new course of biology. Today I'm going to teach you about biomolecules. Dear students, biomolecules as a word that is combination of two words. ये एक word है जो combination है दो words का. Bio means life, molecules. Molecules, what is molecules? The combination, or we can say the collection of the elements is known as molecule. Biomolecule means the collection, the molecules of bio means life. Life's molecule, we can say. So before discussing about the biomolecules, I want to say here about structure, or we can say the composition of cell. Let's see what is the composition of cell. Composition of cell. Dear viewers, जैसे कि हम जानते हैं सेल हमारी लाइफ का सेल is a basic and fundamental as well as functional unit of our life. सेल बेसिक यूनिट क्यों है? क्योंकि लाइफ स्टार्ट ही सेल से हो रही है. That's why it's known as a basic unit of life. According to the scientists, they are still not perfectly known about the composition, or we can say structure of a cell. अभी तक साइंटिस्ट जो हैं उनको परफेक्टली पता नहीं है कि सेल की कंपोजिशन और स्ट्रक्चर इसका क्या है. तो according to them, chemically cell contains 70 to 90% of water. And when water is evaporated, the cell is known as dry weight. So cell is made up of living protoplasm, living material which is called protoplasm. Cell is made up of living material which is called protoplasm. So cell composition, this is a cell's composition, and cell, the chain of compounds, carbon compounds which are known as biomolecules. Here I wanted to make you understand about the biomolecules, that cell's composition. Biomolecules are concerned with cell's composition. Bio means life, molecules means life's molecule. Life starts from cell, and cell is made up of molecules. Inside cell there is chain of carbon compounds which are known as biomolecules, and it consists of many carbon containing long chain which is known as biomolecule. Means the cell is composed of biomolecules. So that biomolecules, it's known as biomolecule means life's molecule. So the elements are, now I'll tell you the elements which are found in biomolecules in by which biomolecules are found. Approximately there are, let's see, elements. Approximately there are 25 elements out of 92 elements which are on the earth and made living body, means living things, by which 16 elements are such elements which made a human body. 16 elements, from which 6 elements are such element that makes 99% of human body. यानी कि 6 elements ऐसे elements हैं जो कि इंसानी बॉडी के 99% मतलब 99% बॉडी बनाते हैं इंसान की. 6 elements. Those elements are, first is oxygen. Oxygen कितना परसेंट होता है? Oxygen is 65%. Oxygen is 65% inside a human body. After that, oxygen, then is carbon, nitrogen, hydrogen, carbon, nitrogen, hydrogen, calcium. Carbon is 18% here. And the last there is phosphorus, which is only 1%, 3%, and is 10%. Nitrogen is 3%. So dear students, हमारी बॉडी का 99% of our body is made up of these 6 elements. First is oxygen, carbon, nitrogen, hydrogen, calcium, phosphorus. Oxygen, carbon, carbon, their symbol is OCNHCA, phosphorus P only. These are their symbols. ऑक्सीजन कितने परसेंट है? 65%. कार्बन कितने परसेंट है? 18%. कार्बन 18% है इन आवर बॉडी. और नाइट्रोजन 3%, हाइड्रोजन 10%, कैल्शियम 2% and phosphorus 1%. These are means their percentage is in Sindh it's L something else percentage, and in federal there is something else. I'm just making you understand about that 99% of the elements are made up of 99% of our body is made up of these 6 elements, and 6% other 1% of our body is made up of other elements which are like magnesium, etc. These are the elements by which 1% means these elements makes 1%. So these are the elements. Now let's see the types. Types of biomolecules. There are fundamental types of biomolecules. Let's see the types according to Sindh. We can say carbohydrates, first protein, third lipid, fourth nucleic acid, fifth conjugated molecule, means combination of two or more molecules, we can say conjugated molecules. Dear students, these are the biomolecules: carbohydrates, protein, nucleic acid, lipids, and conjugated molecule. These are the 5 means biomolecules by which we all are made up, by which a human body and other, we can say, other organisms are also made by these things, and we get energy from these biomolecules. After that, variation. There is do you know there is variation in the cell? How in the variation means the cell's structure is not means well known by the scientists. As I told you before, that cell is not perfectly known by the scientist. Why? Because in our brain there is other cells, means it's other type of cell, it's neuron. But in our muscles there is other cells, muscles tissues from its cell of muscle. And if you see in our legs there is other cells, in our hand there is other cells. यहाँ पर other cells होते हैं, यहाँ पर कुछ और cells होते हैं. तो in our face there is कुछ, वहाँ पर कुछ और cells होते हैं. तो इसी तरह ये क्या होता है, यहाँ पर इन cells की वजह से मतलब कुछ सेल अलग होते हैं, उनकी किस्म अलग होते हैं, वेरिएशन होती है. तो उनमें कुछ में बायोमोलिक्यूल ज्यादा होते हैं, कुछ में कौन सा कार्बोहाइड्रेट ज्यादा होता है, कुछ में लिपिड ज्यादा होता है, कुछ में प्रोटीन ज्यादा होता है. तो इस वजह से वेरिएशन आ जाती है. सो दिस इज नोन एज वेरिएशन हियर. सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आज मैंने आपको पढ़ाया, क्या पढ़ाया? अबाउट द बायोमोलिक्यूल्स. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई टोल्ड यू अबाउट द कंपोजिशन ऑफ सेल. कंपोजिशन ऑफ सेल से मैंने आपको डेफिनेशन बताई बायोमोलिक्यूल की. वो कैसे? कंपोजिशन ऑफ सेल, दैट सेल इज अ बेसिक एज वेल एज फंडामेंटल एंड फंक्शनल यूनिट ऑफ आवर लाइफ. मैं रिपीट करता हूं अपनी चीजें जो मैंने आपको पढ़ाई है कि सेल क्या है. सेल एक फंडामेंटल यूनिट है लाइफ का, और सेल का भी जो स्ट्रक्चर है वो किससे बना हुआ है? दिस इज मेड अप ऑफ बायोमोलिक्यूल. सेल हैज कार्बन एटम्स. दीज बायोमोलिक्यूल्स आर आल्सो नोन एज ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड्स. दीज आर नोन एज organic compounds. तो मैंने आपको बताया बायोमोलिक्यूल्स के बारे में. बायोमोलिक्यूल्स ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड्स होते हैं. आफ्टर दैट सेल has means carbon chain, carbon containing long chain which is known as biomolecule. After that, the elements by which biomolecules are made, there are 6 elements which we can say our body, our biomolecules are made up of. First is oxygen, which is 65% O, carbon, which is 18%, symbol is C, nitrogen with 30% N, hydrogen is 10% with H, and calcium is with 2%, phosphate means 99%. 99% of the molecules are made up of these 6 elements. After that, types. There were 5 types: carbohydrates, lipids, nucleic acid, conjugated molecules, and protein. These are the types which I have told you about them. After that variation, I have told you that there are some cells which are other cells, means like there are sperm cells, or somatic cells, or reproductive cells, we can say our muscle cells, our neuron cells, means there are many types of cells. So these types are made up of other, means we can say in some cells there is approximately means biomolecules are used, every biomolecules are used, but in some cells there is no, there is only 2 or more, like made up of protein only, or made up of carbohydrates. So such variation are there. So this was my topic. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.